Hey, Super Courageous here. Okay, you viewers know I'm outside the rain. See? Look at the sky. See the trees? They're talking to each other. Like that. And it's very wet out here. You viewers out there better listen to the Mother Nature. See? Like that. The breeze and the wind are talking to each other. Like that. See? You viewers better listen to Mother Nature. Like that. Listen to the earth, water, sky. If you would listen, they will guide you. Well, you viewers out there better listen to the nature. Like, anyway, later days, listen to the earth, water, sky, and the wind.